You have a glowing check engine light on your dashboard, and a scan tool is showing a P0455 or P0456 code. You might also notice that your vehicle struggles to start or runs rough immediately after filling up at the gas station. These symptoms point directly to a failure in your evaporative emission control system. These specific diagnostic trouble codes indicate that the vehicle computer has detected a large or small leak in the EVAP system. This system is designed to capture raw gasoline vapors from your fuel tank and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. The most common culprit for this failure is a faulty EVAP purge valve. The purge valve acts as a mechanical gatekeeper between your gas tank and your engine intake manifold. Under normal driving conditions, the engine computer commands this valve to open and close at very specific times. This allows engine vacuum to pull the trapped fuel vapors inside the combustion chamber to be safely burned. Over time, the internal spring and seal inside this plastic valve wear out, and the valve gets stuck in the fully open position. This creates a permanent vacuum leak that pulls excess air and unmetered fuel vapors directly into your engine. This is exactly why your engine stalls or hesitates right after you pump fresh gas. Fortunately, replacing this component on your engine is incredibly straightforward and does not require professional diagnostic fees. You will find the purge valve mounted right on top of the engine near the intake manifold. It is a small black plastic cylinder with an electrical plug and two vapor hoses attached to it. To replace the failing part, simply push down on the locking tab to disconnect the electrical harness. Next, you need to release the locking clips on the two plastic vacuum lines and slide them off the valve. You can then pull the old purge valve completely off its mounting bracket. Take your brand new purge valve and slide it firmly onto the factory mounting bracket until it sits flush. Push the two plastic vacuum lines onto the new valve until you hear an audible click from the locking clips. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to restore power to the new component. With the new valve installed, the vacuum leak is eliminated and your EVAP system is completely sealed. Use a scan tool to clear the trouble codes from the computer system. Your vehicle will start perfectly after refueling and run smoothly without any check engine lights.